do you think is this? Traffic light. Yes. Okay. What is this? A train. Okay. What is this? It's a mountain. Yes, it's a mountain. How about this?
It's a helicopter.
Very good. It's a helicopter. And then this one is the beach. Very good. Okay. How about this?
Is
Cloud. Yes. Okay. Now this is a sun. What is this? Sun. Yes. I will put the sun next to the helicopter. Now where is the sun?
the sun is next to the helicopter.
Very good. Now, okay. What is this?
Potato.
Potato. Can you help me put the potato next to the train? Okay. Where is the potato?
The potato is next to the train.
Very good. Now, where is the chair? Where is the chair? Yes. Can you put the chair on the bus? On the bus? Okay. Where is the chair?
The chair is on the bus.
Yes. Okay. Now, where is the frog?
It's a frog.
Yes. Can you put the frog under the lorry? Under the lorry? Okay.
The
Where
frog
is
under the lorry.
Very good. Okay. Now, can you get the computer?
It's a computer.
Yes. Can you put the computer next to the mountain? Next to the mountain? Okay. Where is the computer?
The computer is next to the
Mountain.
mountain.
Okay. Alright. Or we can click here. Next to the mountain. Okay. Now what is this?
Is the watch.
Watch. Okay. Alright. What are the colors?
Is pink
Pink
and yellow.
okay. Very good. What is this?
It's a radio.
Radio. What are the colors that you can see?
The color is gray and red.
Yes, very good. How about this one?
Is a pear.
A pear. Do you like pear?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. How about this one? What is this?
It's a potato.
Do you like potato?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What is this?
It's a computer.
Okay. What are the colors that you can see in the computer?
The computer is gray.
Great. Great job. Okay. What is this?
Is a chair.
What color is the chair?
The chair is blue.
Blue. What is this?
It's a frog.
Okay. Are you scared of frog?
No.
No. Very good. What is this?
It's a sun.
Is it big or small?
It's a big.
It's big. Okay. What is this?
It's a train.
Very good. Now, who is she? She is a
She is a
girl.
girl.
What is she doing?
She rides a bike.
Very good. Now, what is this?
Is a helicopter.
What is the helicopter doing?
Is flying.
Very good. It's flying. Okay, how about this? What is this?
Is a bus.
Okay, where can we see the bus? The bus is next to the traffic
Traffic
light. Yes. What is this?
is a runway.
Okay, what is the color of the lorry?
The runway is green.
Green. Very good. Okay, now let's talk about yourself. How many people are there in your family? In my family,
7.
7. Wow, there's a lot. Do you have brothers and sisters? You have brother and sister?
Baby.
And a baby. Wow. Okay. So, what is your friend's name? What is your friend's name?